Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to another lesson of Excel. My name is Buran. In this video lesson, we are going to look at the filter and advanced filter option. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So today we will see the filter and advanced filter option. I have created a database of employees belonging to a different position or different department and have their salaries as well. I have created a scenarios, so we will have a look at these scenarios and use the filter option to get the result. Now there are two ways you can get the filter option. One way is that you go to data tab and you would see sort and filter ribbon. In this there is a filter tab, which is this a funnel logo of it. Simply click on it and it gives you the filter option. Another way of using it, getting the filter option, is that you use the shortcut method, which is Control Shift L. It gives the filter option. Now let's see that how we can filter the data. I want to filter the data of list of employees from HRM department. So I would just simply click. There are two ways you can get it. One way is that you deselect everything. Just now, because considering the data which I have is a very small set of data, you might have a huge number of data working on it, and different departments also. So either you can deselect everything and select the department, or you can use the text filter option and go to custom filter and just simply write HRM department and hit OK. So it gives me all the employees belongs to HRM department. There are 4 employees belongs to HRM department. Another way of looking at this is that we will use another scenario, which is that I would filter the assistant manager from the positions. Okay, I'm selecting from here right now, and I would select these from the sales department belongs to footwear. So I guess there are only, you can see this is the only employee belongs to this section. To clear the filter option, you can simply click over here, clear the filter. It gives you get back the data set again. Now let's have a look at the text number filter option in a different way. Now let's say I have to filter the salaries of employees, okay, ranging between 30,000 to 50,000. So I would select greater than or equal to 30,000, okay, and less than or equal to 50,000. You can hit enter and it gives you the data set of all the employees who has a salary ranging between 30,000 to 50,000. As you can see over here that there are tabs in between, so that is why the numbers are highlighted in blue. Now let's check the another scenario. Considering that you have a huge number of data set and you want employees that is ranging between this salary have not submitted their qualification proof. So you would just simply go here, click to custom filter option, you type not submitted, hit enter, and there are 3 employees between the salary range of 30,000 to 50,000 have not submitted their qualification proof. So this is how you can get the data. I would clear this. Let's check the another. I would attach this Excel format in the description. You can download and you can use this one, and you can solve these scenarios. Now let's have a look at the advanced filter option. To use the advanced filter option, we need to create a criteria for that. So the criteria for that is you have to select the header row, which I have already selected over here, paste it in exact same format. Okay, remember, make sure that you should not change anything in your header row. Okay, go to advanced filter. So Excel is so advanced that it automatically selects the data a range which is this one, which is automatically selected for my data range. Now you would select the criteria range. Criteria range is this. I have created a criteria that filter all the managers from the database who earn more than 50,000 salary. So I would select the criteria is this, or deselect this one for you. I would select the criteria once again. Okay, now remember that this is a very important, that you should not forget that you have to copy this to another location. Select this option, click here, copy to another location. We would copy here, hit enter. Now we have got the results that these are the managers who earn salary more than 50,000 status. So this is how you can use the advanced filter option. There are many options you can use to get the data, which you can use in the Excel sheet, which I have attached in the description box. Download it and try using it in a different way, and try generating different results. Let's have a look at the another scenario of filter. You would click here, get the filter option available. We would select filter all the employees whose employee code contains either digit 5 or letter A. So you'll go to employee code, text filter, custom filter option. Now it says that employee code equals to contains either 5 or contains A. Hit enter. Now you get the data. This is the employee code which either has A in it or 5 in it. So this is how you can use the filter option. I would clear this. Try practicing these questions. I hope this is clear now. If you have any questions related to this, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next lesson.